Okay guys, so today's verb is the verb NOMU, which means to drink. It's an irregular verb, so we're gonna be using the ma, mi, mu, me, mo colon, the M, okay? And the kanji is no, so NOMU, which is our dictionary form. Okay, so let's have a look. Osake wo nomu. Osake wo nomu, which means to drink alcohol. Alcohol is sake. Um, Now, when we say sake in English, we are talking about the Japanese sake, right? Which is in Japanese, actually, we call it nihonshu, okay? We can call it sake too. But in this case here, osake, it's like more general, okay? It can be any kind of alcoholic beverage, okay? Osake o nomu. So when somebody comes to you and they ask you, "Osake o nomimasu ka?" "Osake o nomimasu ka?" They're asking in general, like, do you drink alcoholic drinks? Okay, and not only asking about the Japanese sake, which we call nihonshu, or nihonshu if it's the cold one, and atsukan is if it's the hot one that we drink in the winter. Okay. Now the next one is our masuke. The polite version is nomimasu, nomimasu. So mi, mu becomes mi. So for example, maiban biru wo nomimasu. Maiban biru wo nomimasu. Maiban biru wo nomimasu. Every night. Now we had mayasa on the last video, I think. This is every night. Maiban. Biru is beer. So like I drink beer every night, most likely before going to bed. Okay, maiban biru wo nomimasu. The next one is our negative form, no manai. So mu becomes ma, no manai. For example, sonna ni nomanai de kudasai. Sonna ni nomanai de kudasai. Sonna ni nomanai de kudasai. Please don't drink that much, or this much. Okay, sonna ni, that much. Like, please don't get drunk. そんなに飲まないでください. Okay? And the last one is our imperative form, nonde. Nonde. Very irregular, okay? Nonde. For example, どうぞ飲んでください. どうぞ飲んでください. You're gonna hear this a lot in Japan. It's like when we are offering something, we say どうぞ. Now, like, please, you know? So, like you're offering. So, when somebody comes to you and offer you a drink, they're gonna say どうぞ飲んでください. どうぞどうぞ飲んでください. The more times they repeat どうぞ, it's, more like the more they want you to drink it, to have it. どうぞ召し上がってください. Like when they're giving you a food. Okay, and that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one. それではまた、バイバイ。